Hi friends. So today I'm here at a road trip at Townsquare. So this is Qudra Road and now I'm entering to Townsquare. So when I enter the Townsquare, on my right hand side there is Safi Apartments. So Townsquare is, of course, it's a complete township within itself. It has got apartments, it has got townhouses, retail shops, supermarkets, then you have KFC, Pizza Hut, and what I would say coffee shops, then you have medical stores, everything in one place. So if you are a community member over here, you don't have to step out of the community. So after Safi Apartments, you can see these small townhouses. These are actually Safi townhouses. A bigger part of Townsquare has been developed and delivered, yet there are many part of Townsquare which is still under construction and the development is still going on. So it consists of everything, like I said, and the developer, rather I would say master developer of Townsquare, is Nashama. About Nashama, I would complete in only one sentence. Nashama is Dubai-based developer for integrated lifestyle communities, offering exceptional value to aspiring homeowners since 2014. You can see on my right hand side KFC passed by, and this is the mosque. So since 2014 they launched their flagship project called as Townsquare. It has got every kind of facilities, recreational activities, events happening over there, big park, everything in one place. So if I'm moving forward from here, these buildings, beside these buildings there is a central park. All these buildings which you can see in front of you, all these buildings are handed over and people are living in there. I would not say the names of each and every building, otherwise you might get confused, but still if you want some more information about each and every building, I can of course pass on the information to you at any given point of time. So I would show you the central park over here, Townsquare Park. You can see Carrefour Market is here in this building. Now I would take a quick round to the facilities which are offered in Townsquare. You can see how beautiful the community looks like, how beautifully maintained it is. So you can see the facilities: retail, school, nursery, cycling trails, hospitals. You have healthcare center, basketball court. You have movies, hotel, a big play. This is the park. So I would take a full round of this park and you can imagine how big the park is. You can see the carousel over here, kids fountain I would say. You can see how big the park is. Apart from these park, it has also got wave rider, trampoline activities are there. Within this park there is a small train. Of course you can see the food court of Hardee's over here, splash area, kids play area. Earlier you saw the fountain, kids fountain basically. So all these facilities you get within the community itself. And Townsquare, the facilities everyone can enjoy. Plus, if you have your guests over here, of course they can also come to the park. It's open for general public. Of course nowadays pandemic is here, otherwise every evening there are some of the activities going on over here. And it's really an enjoyment to be here every evening. I have got a lot of customers, clients basically, who are, well, perfectly satisfied homeowners or tenants in every aspect: the maintenance, the security, the neatness, cleanliness, the maintenance of the community, everything. And by the way, it is a gated community as well. So the entry and exit of Townsquare, I would say it's very easy. It lies on Qudra Road and next to Emirates Road, E611. So I have almost completed my full round of the park, Townsquare Park. You can imagine how big the park was. This is one of the major attraction of Townsquare, I would say. And I would continue my journey from here, and I would like to show you more about Townsquare. So these buildings after Carrefour are there. On my left hand side there are few more buildings, and I would show them while coming back. So right now I am proceeding to the townhouses areas. The first townhouse which I would like to showcase is Noor Townhouse. It is a recently handed over townhouse, and still handover is still going on, of course, and people are still moving in. High demand, of course. So you can see small low rise townhouses coming up. These are Noor Townhouses. Nashama, they have developed the entire community and with the precision of the quality what they maintain. So this is the Noor Townhouse. After their launch in 2015, it got a huge success, huge demand. You can see the community, how the community looks like. Well maintained grasses, symmetrical trees, well planted, everything well in place. So what I would do is I would show you more what other townhouses are. Noor is the latest handed over project, and the same route, if I continue, I'll move towards Hayat Townhouse. Hayat Townhouse were the second project which was handed over, and you can see every kind of facility within the town square. So this is Hayat Townhouses entry. I'm not going to enter in communities as of now. I would like to show you on the road trip itself how the community looks like. So the same straight road leads to Qudra Road. After Qudra Road, there is a big roundabout which we call commonly as cycle roundabout, and from there you take a U-turn and come back to Mall of Emirates, the road same, which is known as and this is the shuttle service. By the way, every time there is a shuttle service of the bus available from Nashama till Mall of Emirates metro station, and that is free of cost. So these apartments are there. Again, these are handed over apartments. It is all completely handed over and people are living in over there. This is another set of apartments. Of course, these are called as Zahra Breeze. So the next, on my right hand side, you can see the townhouses. These were the first project handed over in terms of townhouses from Nashama Town Square, and these are Zahra Townhouse. So the Zahra Townhouses were handed over. Very nice project, very good community, and very high in demand. People who work in Jebel Ali or nearby areas, or in the areas of Al Barsha, Business Bay, downtown, they prefer to live here. And this is Zahra Apartments. These were the first projects which was handed over. Very high in demand at that point of time, and still it is very high in demand. So I have almost completed my road trip of Nashama Townsquare. Much more things to say about Nashama Townsquare. Very good community and lot of positive words from the satisfied clients. A lot more to say. I have less time. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. This road leads straight towards Qudra Road, and you can see there is one more entry towards Nashama Townsquare which is coming up, which is in progress. So this was Qudra Road. How you like my video? Let me know your reviews, and if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call or send me a WhatsApp. I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you.